Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 5 class. How are you all students? I'm your English teacher Miss Parveen Akhtar, and this is the lecture number 7 of your second semester. Students, today we will learn about grammar, and here are parts of speech. Students, different things have different parts. That parts help to do perfect work, and same is the case in grammar. Without parts of speech, the sentence is not be completed. So there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. The first one is noun, second is pronoun, third is verb, fourth is adverb, then adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Students, we have already discussed about noun, which is the name of person, place or thing, and today we will discuss about pronoun. What is pronoun? Students, pro means instead of. A word which is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Have you understood? A word which is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun, like he, she, it, they, you, I, we, etc. Students, these words we use in place of a noun, like in place of Ali we will use he, in place of Aisha we will use she. Examples of pronoun: Saima has a beautiful cat. In this sentence we have used the name of a person, Saima, and the name of a thing, cat, and she loves it very much. In this sentence, she is used in place of Saima and it is used in place of cat, so she and it are pronouns. Number 2, Asad is a good boy. Asad is a good boy. Students, in this sentence, as you know that Asad is a noun, he works very hard, and in place of Asad in this sentence we have used he. He is a pronoun and he is used for the male. Third, English is an interesting book. English is an interesting book. Students, in this sentence, English is a noun. Book is also a noun. It has many stories. In this sentence, it is a pronoun which is used in place of book. Have you understood, students? Students, about pronoun, if you have any confusion you can ask. Now come to the book, page number 69, part D and E. Do it by yourself, students. You will learn these parts with the help of notes by your own self, and if you have any confusion about part D and E you can ask from me, then you will do it. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.